Hi, welcome to the Yorkshire Cloud demo. The Yorkshire Cloud hosted desktop is all about getting rid of your servers, your PCs, your expensive software, your IT support. It's about reducing costs. It's about improving your security. It's about making remote working better for your staff. And the great thing about dealing with Yorkshire Cloud is that everything is based in Yorkshire. All the engineers are based in Yorkshire. If you've got any problems, you can call us and you speak to an engineer straight away. As you can see in front of me, I've just got a internet page. I happen to be using Google Chrome, but you can use any web browser. You can use Internet Explorer or Firefox or Apple Safari. The first thing I'm going to do is browse to the login page of Yorkshire Cloud, which is cloud.yorkshirecloud.co.uk. So this web page is in our Yorkshire data centre. Everyone has a unique username and password. So I'm going to log in with John Smith, which is a demo account. The first screen you'll see here is your company desktop, and you just click on here to launch your computer in the cloud. And now we're logged in, and the first thing you'll notice is this just looks and feels just like a normal computer. You browse around the screen in normal speed. Everything works just like a normal computer. The first thing to talk about is the Office software down here. One of the great things about the Yorkshire Cloud hosted desktop is that you always benefit from the latest Office software. I know sometimes with a traditional IT setup, it can seem like you spend an awful lot of money on upgrading to the latest version, and before you know it, it's out of date and you feel pressured to upgrade again. You don't get this with our system. When a new version is released, we'll give you the option if you want to upgrade or not. There'll be no increase to your monthly price plan. The second thing to point out is the email system. This isn't intended to be a technical demo, but the email system is based on Microsoft Exchange. If you've got a server in your office at the moment which looks after your email, then the chances are you are probably running Microsoft Exchange. So what we give you as part of the hosted desktop is your own Exchange server in the cloud. So you benefit from shared calendars, shared contacts, and the email system is fully compatible with iPads, iPhones, Androids. Each person gets a massive 25 gig mailbox, which is plenty of space. I know sometimes with email servers that you have in your office, sometimes your mailbox gets full and you have to delete emails that you wouldn't ordinarily delete. Well, with this system, you don't have to. As an add-on to the email system, we can also offer you unlimited archiving, which means we will archive all your emails sent and received for an unlimited period of time. This is sometimes needed, certainly in the legal profession, where data needs to be kept for a certain length of time. So the next thing to talk about is storage. If we go to Start and Documents, this folder here is where John Smith, the user who I'm logged in at the moment with, this is where he'd store the documents personal to him. No one else could be able to see this folder, just John Smith. In addition to this, everybody in your business will have access to a S drive, and this is just a shared document space, just like you get with a server in the office, where you can put all your company files and folders. I've just created these documents as a test, and just like the server in the office also, we can restrict who has access to what. So only the people who need to get into accounts can get into accounts, only the people who need to get into the HR folder can get into the HR folder. You'll notice on this particular server, there's Sage accounts. Quite a lot of our customers run Sage accounts. Sage works really, really well in the Yorkshire Cloud system. We've put this on here just to point out that we can install any applications that your business uses. We have customers using AutoCAD, we have customers using Sage, we have customers using QuickBooks. Whatever third-party applications that your business uses, we can install into our hosted desktop system and all your staff can access. Touch wood, there hasn't been a single application that we've not managed to get working in our cloud. You also browse the internet from within the cloud. Again, you have a choice of browsers. I know some people like to use Chrome, other people like to use Internet Explorer. It works at normal speeds. There's no lag. You can watch videos on YouTube through our cloud system. I know quite a few cloud systems that I've seen, you can't actually watch videos within the desktop, so you have to come back to your local PC to do that. With our system, you can watch the videos seamlessly. The last thing I want to talk about is printing and scanning. Quite a few people ask us how printing and scanning works in the cloud. Well, it's fairly simple. Anything that the PC you are using to connect to the cloud can see, the cloud can see. So if the PC you are using is connected to your large multifunctional printer in the office, then the cloud will be able to see that printer also, and it will be able to print to that also. So on this particular PC I'm using, I don't actually have a printer installed. So the printers that your device would see would appear here, and you'd be able to print as normal. There's no lagging, there's no problems with printing. Scanning, equally. If your PC or your device can see the scanner, then so will the cloud. Also, our email system is fully compatible with the large multifunctional scan to email systems. Lots of our clients use that to scan. They scan to email and it drops into the mailbox on the cloud. So when it gets to 5:30 and your day is finished and you finish with your computer, just like any normal PC, you go to start and log off again, and that takes you off the cloud. So that wraps up the demo. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please direct them to me at jonathane@yorkshirecloud.co.uk.